Whether you're riding a dirt bike or an ATV, sound is a major issue in every riding area. Let's take a look at some of the instruments used. The decibel reader and RPM gauge work in conjunction to be sure you're in compliance with local laws and regulations. Various states and organizations have publications available on how loud your ATV or other motorized vehicle may be. One source of this information is the Stationary Sound Test Manual published by the Motorcycle Industry Council. This publication has a guide listing various ATVs and motorcycles and explains what RPM to perform the sound check at. The guide also outlines proper testing procedure and setup, so you can test consistently for an acceptable level of sound. What you see here is the spark arrestor unit in the exhaust. Now that's a ticket waiting to happen.